I opened it up and I was like, I just did a ZMC fracture and it was really hard. And it said, okay. And it said, what accesses did you do? And I said, I did a lateral brow, I did a transconj, and I did a transvestibular. And it said, okay, was there any disimpaction involved? And I said, yeah, I had to use a Carroll Girard and I had to rotate the complex out because it was rotated immediately in. And then it said, how many points of fixation did you use? And I said, oh, I did 4. I did comminuted like infraorbital rim and all the other components of the tripod. And it said, great, based off of those, this actually qualifies as a complex repair, which means you should put a 22 modifier on it and make sure in your op note you state X, Y, and Z. And so it allowed me to actually
Whoa.
up bill the thing and now get ideally higher reimbursement and to appropriately document the complexity of it as opposed to just, oh, I fixed a ZMC.
Hmm.
And that was like crazy to see how it kind of walked me through that case. And so this is where it's like, basically, can we make this an extension of you as a clinician?
Yeah, that's really intuitive, especially even for the op notes. Like, yeah, I don't know the minutia of coding.
Yeah.
I have other things to do in my free time. So it's nice to know that that's there.
Oh, well, and that's the point is like, can we make this a tool? So what if we could coordinate with them and start to put in AI builds that are learning reimbursement patterns by state, by insurance provider?